Is that so? Yeah, we're just camping before we get back to work on this crazy deal. This was an impromptu, not really impromptu, a well-planned camping outing. Just a one-night thing, get away into the mountains of Los Angeles. Got all sorts of stuff that we've got to try figuring out this week. So hopefully the getaway is a bit of an energizement, relaxation. We had good food. So it was like crazy 120 degrees in Los Angeles end of last week. And up here at night, it was probably about 70. So a nice little change in the weather. I hope that walking into the shade did not totally kill my exposure, but we'll see. This might be set to auto. I'm sure that what I've said or shared so far has been a little confusing just because there are little snippets of time in the midst of this little bit. Basically, I went on a brief overnight camping trip, just a real fast one, with some friends. I'm walking to the car because we ran out of parking spaces at the campsite, and we're packing up to head back home to finish out the day to get ready for a shoot that we have coming up this coming weekend in Vegas. Obviously I need to exercise more, which this is a good way of doing that. Basically what I'm trying to say is we're camping. It's a great opportunity to switch your perspective, look at things differently, get away from the hustle, relax, yet not really relaxing with kids. Well, I'll let you figure that one out. Gonna finish packing, we're gonna grab some lunch, head back. That's a big bug. Okay, not really big, but then head home, finish 4 client projects to get out today and tomorrow. Have to do extensive shot listing for the shoot this weekend, scheduling, all of that. It's a hustle, but this one's gonna be really exciting. That's that. Don't forget to subscribe. I share with you all of my micro-budget filmmaking and stuff all about making movies and how to make you help you succeed. Hit the bell notification, like this video, and I will see you in the next one.